Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Alesund, Norway, another cruise stop on the Holland America Rotterdam ship, the Art Nouveau town of Alesund. First, fish and chips for sale, and many other buildings with things for sale. Some clothing over there, statue, and looks like some brick or maybe cobblestone. City sightseeing bus, Norway, going by. And here we have a water area. See what looks to be like a bridge or maybe a canal going down, and lots of statues around. Viking-themed ship on this side, and other boats to go through this area in what looks to be a Marina section. Other restaurants in this area, BRO, BNO, B something O. And dining areas outside. Recording in the beginning of July 2025. A little chilly, but not bad. Good weather for the hoodie. Just have a seagull perched up top, looking for food, I'm sure. Statue over here, polluted with bird poop, but by Venderen, 1938, up ahead. And get closer to this Viking-themed boat. You see a figurehead on this side, on the front, and looks to be a wooden boat. The more modern boats down below. One is going out here. See a Hotel Brosundet in the back, and a lot of cool architecture, different colors on the buildings, and the ships in the back. Here looks to be a sea-doo, and see the other side of the bridge. See what seems to be seaweed on the bottom, and have some more seagulls flying by. You can hear them calling out. See more of the birds going by, and another statue on the other side, one of them on top of the statue. Some more bird poop probably going down soon. They just like to do that. And the train going by, bonus in this video. This is the local Alesund train going through the city center, many of the prominent tourist spots. You can zoom in and see it on the other side, likely going across this bridge. You see another boat going through, little tunnel, little pathway, and the train going in the back too. So lots happening in the video. Pretty cool, lots of sights to see. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.